Hello, this is Moonjong from Bobcat. Today, we are here to learn about the management of air filters, which require regular maintenance in engines. We have invited our forklift service expert, Daniel Yu from Bobcat. Hello, Daniel.
Yes, hello.
So, Daniel, what role does the air filter play in a diesel engine?
Yes, well, when the engine intakes air, it draws in the air from the atmosphere around, and the air filter's role is to filter out any impurities in this air. If the air filter is not cleaned, the airflow becomes obstructed, leading to increased fuel consumption and reduced fuel efficiency. Additionally, incomplete combustion occurs, resulting in increased exhaust emissions.
Okay, so many people often think that engine oil is the most important aspect of engine maintenance. Is that right?
In fact, the air filter can be considered more important. Engine oil circulates only within the engine, making it difficult for external impurities to enter. However, the air filter plays a role in filtering out impurities such as metal shavings depending on the working environment. So, it needs to be checked more frequently. There have been cases where metal shavings enter the engine intake, causing physical damage to the engine cylinders and resulting in high repair costs.
So, what is the specific maintenance method for the air filter?
Well, you need to inspect and clean or replace the filter element here. The filter element should generally be replaced with a new one after 3 months of use. And in dusty work environments, it should be cleaned or replaced frequently. Now, when cleaning, you can blow it out with a maximum air pressure of 205 kPa for a 3-ton engine. As a precaution, never clean the element by hitting or tapping it. After cleaning, you must inspect the filter element for any damage, and if the filter is wrinkled or the gasket or seal is damaged, it has already lost its function as a filter and should never be used. Finally, while inspecting the air filter, you should also check for any cracks or damage in the connections between the air filter and the intake hose.
I see. Thank you so much for your detailed information. Today, we have learned about the management of air filters for diesel engine forklift. If you found this video helpful, please like and press the subscribe button below. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.